All right, we just learned how to retrieve the member.json object. Now let's update it. So for this, we're going to go in and we're going to create another test page. Let's just call it test2. Scroll down to the very bottom, add a couple more script tags. Now let's go back over to the front-end API docs. Scroll up a little bit and we can go to the updating section, and we can see the first example here looks really similar to what we were doing. The big difference is we set a variable with some data, and then we call an update metadata method that basically just sends this variable full of this data through the front-end API and puts it into our member.json object. So let's just literally copy and paste this example code, put it into our script tag, go ahead and hit create. We need to publish it. Now let's go over to the site. You'll notice we didn't put a debugger statement this time in our example code that we copy and pasted in between our script tags. Don't really need to. What we want to do is run that test2 page, go back to MemberStack, look at our member.json object and see if the data is there. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Just ran the page. Let's go back into MemberStack. We'll look at Jane. Go to member data and look at this. There it is. Lesson 1 finished, lesson 2 in progress. That was exactly what we had put in. So it worked. We did nothing more than add their example code into it.